Good morning, students. So we were doing the chapter number 5, okay, of our Living English book, and the name of the chapter is Yuki and Tsunami. Okay, Yuki and the Tsunami. So already I have uploaded the first part of this chapter. This is the second part, okay, and we have to start from page number 61. So let's get started. So today also what we are going to do, firstly we will go through the chapter and write down the meaning of difficult words. Fine. So let's get started with the chapter. So what happened in the previous video? What I taught you that already that Yuki found out what that tsunami is about to come. That means this the symptoms. You can see the indication which he got from the outside, that means from the sea, okay, that the water started pulling back and everything, that means the sky turned out to be into a black color, fully black color. So that was the symbol, or you can say that was the indication that telling that Yuki that tsunami is about to come, because even that earthquake was there. So these were the indications. So let's see what happened. So now first villager said that I have never seen anything like this before. Look how far ocean has pulled back. That means the first villager, that means he started saying that, means suppose this is a sea water, okay, suppose this is sea water, but what happened just because of tsunami is about to come, the water started getting back. That means if the water is from here, now the water started going back and it was here, somewhere here, okay. So like this the water was getting back, okay. Now what happened, we can see parts of the beach that we have not seen ever before, because you know why? Because the water started pulling back. If the water started pulling back, definitely you can see those things which you have not seen earlier. So same thing is over here. Now second villager, yes, let's go to the beach right away. Imagine all the beautiful shells we will be able to find. We can string them together. Now what happened, the second villager started saying that you have to change the number according to which I have already given you. Right now I am doing the second part, that is why I am going to start from the first. So string. Now what the second villager started saying that let's go, okay, and what we will do, let's go and try to find out the shells, okay. We have seen that shells, okay. Excuse me. Then what we will do, with the help of that shell, we will make we will tie into the that string, that is like this, okay, like this. They are going to tie all the shells into the string. Now what happens next? Okay, as the villagers leave the stage to run towards the beach, Yuki waves his arms and tries to stop them. Now what happened? The villagers were about to leave, okay, towards the beach, but Yuki really wanted to stop them, because this could be very dangerous for them. If they are going to be in the beach, definitely some mishappening may happen, no? That is why he started waving his hands like this. Please don't go there, okay. So Yuki tried to stop him. Now what happened? Yuki, wait, everyone, come back. We are in terrible danger. Now Yuki started saying that please don't go there, because right now we are in terrible danger. So please don't go there. Now my grandfather told me that this is just what happens before tsunami. That means the indication that we are getting from our environment, that means earthquake, the sky is turning out into black color. So what are these things? These are the, you can say, indication, okay, that the tsunami is about to come. Now second villager, what are you talking about, Yuki? That means second villager started saying that what nonsense are you talking? All the villagers except the boy, all the villagers except the village boy leave the stage laughing to head for the beach. Yuki knows he has to find a way to get the villager to move up the mountain quickly. Now what happened? He saw that the people, the villagers are not taking the things, the serious things, okay. They are just behaving like no, nothing is about to happen, everything is okay. But Yuki found something very unusual. So what happened? He started thinking that I have to do something. I have to take the people of my village to somewhere safest, to some you can say place where we will remain safe. So he planned something. So he takes a log of wood from the fire in front of his house and runs to the side of the stage and pretends to set the rice stack on fire. Now what happened? He had a plan. Okay, what he wanted to do? He wanted to, you can say, set fire so that people will leave the village. Now, while he was doing this, the village boy sits down in front of Yuki's house and watches him. Yuki touches the burning log to the rice crop in several places. Then he runs to the front of the stage facing the audience. Now, wait for a minute, okay? Now what happened? He planned that I have to do something to save the people. So what he planned out? He planned out that definitely I'll take the log of wood and set fire in the rice stack so that people in danger, seeing that the fire happened. Okay, so definitely they will move from this place. So what happened while Yuki was doing this thing? One of boy, okay, village boy saw him doing this. Now what happened? Yuki started shouting, "Fire, fire! Everyone to the mountain, quick!" Throws down the burning log and runs off stage. Now what happened? Yuki started saying that, "Fire, fire! Please move from here! Please move from here!" All the villagers are standing together on the top of the mountain, including Yuki, mother and father. Everyone is panting. Panting means short of breath. That means when you start running now, what happened? Definitely at that time you will feel like shortage of that breath. Okay, you cannot breathe properly. So panting was so everyone was panting at that time. Okay, panting was done. Okay, now see, as if they have run a long distance on a hot afternoon, everyone looks angry and upset. Now everyone was angry. That means what had happened? That is why. Village boy steps forward and points to Yuki. Now the boy which saw him doing this, he came forward and he started pointing out. Let's see what it was. Yuki is crazy. Now he starts saying that Yuki is crazy. He set fire to the rice crop and he did it on purpose. I saw him. That means the villagers start. That means the village boy started saying that I saw him doing this. That means I saw him doing that setting fire in the rice stack. So and he did with a purpose. That means there was some reason behind that. So let's see what it was. Yuki, look, a tsunami. Wait. Okay. So now what happened? Yuki started saying that look, tsunami is. You can check out that tsunami is there. Okay. Pointing over the head of the people in the audience. A tsunami. All characters on the stage clap. That means hold tightly. They started. They got. All of them got scared and they just hold themselves very tightly. That means people of the village, they just hold one another very tightly. Okay. Then. Others' hand or hide their faces in their hands with fear. Now what happened? That means tsunami. What happened? Tsunami. Actually, this indication that the boy, that means Yuki, found was indication that tsunami is about to come. That means, and that had that already there. Okay. Now what happened? It's just how grandfather had described a tsunami. Everything he said would happen has come true. First comes the earthquake, then the sea turns black and pulls away from the land. Then tsunami comes and everything is swept away. Now he said that I am just following that what grandfather told me. That means if you found something like that earthquake and after that sea started showing something else, that means the view of the sea, that means water started pulling back and everything turns out to be black, then that means it is the indication that tsunami is about to come. So, and you can see tsunami is on the way. Everything is swept away by tsunami. Village boy, sadly, our village has been swept away. It's gone. The tsunami took it away like was never there. That means what happened? Tsunami came and everything was swept away by the waves. Okay, Yuki, I'm so sorry that I burned the rice stacks. Now he started saying that sorry for the thing which I have done it because what I did, I just burned all the rice stacks. Okay, now I had to find a way to get everyone to the top of the mountain. Said that sorry for the thing which I have done it, because I don't have any way, because I have to take you from that place to the safest place. Okay. Now what happened? The father, Yuki, you saved all us. First villager, you were right after all, Yuki. It was an earthquake. Now, father, tonight we were all going to celebrate our rice festival. Mother, now we will celebrate that all of us are still alive. Now what happened? Now all the other village cheer and congratulate Yuki and go to him, to his parents. Now what happened? Finally, all the villagers, okay, they thank Yuki, okay, for showing the gesture and showing the presence of mind. Okay. Now what happened? They said that let's celebrate our rice harvest. Okay. We will start from the beginning. Now, all the villagers, what they cheer. Okay. They cheered and congratulate to whom? To the Yuki for doing such a good deeds. Okay. For the village. So it was like that. So with this, the chapter ends, and from this chapter, what you learn? Basically, this chapter taught us that if something, if your elder people, you can say elder people or your parents or your grandparents suggesting something or telling you something like that, if you got something like this, you have to act like, suppose like the grandfather. Okay, grandfather informed that if you found something like this, that means earthquake, and after that sea started turning out black and something like that, that means that is the indication that something wrong is about to happen. So you have to aware the people about this. So same thing, he just recognized the things, he memorized the things, and what he did, he acted. That means Yuki followed the thing that was said by his grandfather. Okay, like this, by using the presence of mind and the thing that was taught by his grandfather, you utilize all those things and save the people. So try to, if your parents are saying something, okay, if they are guiding you, definitely try to follow those things. Okay, fine. So with this, the chapter ends, and let's do one thing. I have already written some words on the blackboard. What you have to do, write down the meanings, okay, of each and every things which I have written on the blackboard. Meanings, you have to write down a dictionary meanings, okay, and go through the chapter once more and watch the video. Thank you.